Today we're making a YouTube logo, so you'll need your YouTube thing that you're gonna paint, acrylic paint, because this is 3D printed, so you need acrylic paint. You'll need red and like a goldish color, and some glitters, and 2 brushes. So you can use any colors you want, like red, black, yellow, green. You can use any of those. So like if you want to make a rainbow, you will probably need more than a paintbrush. Okay, I have to see if I have white. Okay, I do have white. So I guess this glue does not work. So you guys can use glue. This is the glue I have, so that doesn't work. I'm just going to use white paint. Put a dab a little bit. Then you take one of your paintbrushes, paint it. See that? So it's white. Now you use glitter. Put some glitter. And now it's sparkly. So you have that now. Now you want that to dry. And then you'll need like a back of a paintbrush to like trim the edges. So the edges are very, very slick. And that, see if I have a better one. Nope, I do not. So now just have to wait that dry. Okay, now we're doing the red. So that's it. That kind of looks like a diamond. Not like the diamond play button, but close. So you'll need your red. Put some right there. You'll need pretty much a lot. Cover this. So we're not doing the sides yet. We're going to be doing the top. Wow. Look at that. That really looks like a YouTube play button. And then you see the glitter right there. And then you just try to curve up some of the slide edges. So you have that. And then you just keep doing it, and then our next thing, you just put multiple layers on it. So I'm gonna wait until this dries so we can start doing the sides. So now time to do the sides. All you do, you just paint it. So I would, in my opinion, I would just hold it up. So, or you can have it being laying down. This time I'm gonna put it on the thing that you're using. Now this will look really, really good. And it's your choice if you want to do the back. You guys can. I'm gonna do the back, so I can just show you if you guys want to do it. So I'm almost done. Okay, so just finish up a few little details that you missed. Okay, so this is done. I'll show you the sides when it dries. And the front is still drying a little bit. So I'll show you guys how to do the back once they all dry. So we have this guy. Now we're going to start painting the back. Does this do anything? Nope. Okay. Ready to paint the back of it. So just put a little paint. Now you take this and you pin it. YouTube. And you have the back. So I'm making this for when I get 100 subscribers. I do not have 100 subscribers yet. So I'm just going to keep this and wait until I do have 100 subscribers. So please subscribe. So you can see we put this guy up. So this is what it is. I'm just going to actually do this really quick. I'm just going to put a knife in here. Make a little stand for this guy. So you guys can see it standing up. Okay, so that should be wide enough. Boom. That's our logo that we made. So if you guys like this, please subscribe and give up the like button so you can see me make more of these. So, bye.